How to fix something went wrong in Snapchat filter on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix something went wrong in Snapchat filter on Android phone. First open settings and then scroll down until you find here apps, and now click apps again, and here just type Snapchat, click on it, and then click storage. Now click clear cache, and after that just click force stop, and then go back and try again, and your problem must be fixed. If that doesn't fix your problem, just restart your phone and try again. And that's it, it's easy. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.